Hello student, here two problems are given. First a first way, second a second way. So here the first problem is we have to create an auxiliary stack so that we can put the element of the stack into it and then uh, put back. So here auxiliary set bottom element to I. So here we are passing stack and I. So auxiliary stack is built and this is empty at the starting. While not stack empty do, so now we have a stack. So from this stack we will pop the elements. This is the existing stack. This is the existing stack and auxiliary stack we have built, now. This is auxiliary. So what we are doing, we are pop this element from this given stack and now push the element into the auxiliary.